What if we paused this endless fight just for one day from morn to night? No gain, no grudge, just let them be. A day of joy for you and me. Lay down the swords we hold so tight. Replace the dark with softer light. A single laugh can mend the cracks. Let's take a break, no looking back. They say the world is much too vast for peace to come, for love to last. But just one gift, a smile we share, could light the hearts of those who care. I'll wear a mask, I'll play the fool, a tale to spin, a laugh to rule. Let's make this day a memory, a little gift for you and me. One quiet day to breathe again. No rush, no race, no fight to win. We'll ride a tale, no fear, no war. A fleeting peace worth fighting for. What if the world could hear our song and take this chance to come along? No need for words, no need for plans, just open hearts and open hands. Each Sunday comes